Well, welcome back everybody. This is Richard here, and this is the second part of the Sew-Tric limited sewing machine motor. This came off the Alpha sewing machine, which has been scrapped and has gone for recycling. And if you remember the last video, I was showing you some of the components parts. This motor is 200 to 250 volts AC. And it runs at 0 to 60 cycles at 5 amps at 50 watts, and it's actually an AC or DC motor, which is interesting to say the least. It says AC and DC on the casing there, along with its number, and I assume by looking at the instructions it's probably from the 50s somehow, in this rather nice beige colour. Now I've put it all back together again. I've greased the small pads that are in there to keep the components free. Remember I said to you that actually it has seized up. It was completely seized up, and I did get it moving for a little while, but it then decided to stop working and fuse the RCD in the workshop here, and actually went through to the house, so obviously I'd over-egged it a bit. I've now plugged it in with this interesting socket here, this plug, which looks very similar to some old-fashioned 1940s iron, and kettles used to have this type of thing. It's also rigged up to the foot pedal, this Bakelite foot pedal. Here we are. Which has a variable speed on that. I've now plugged it into the mains, and it's got this rather nice feature of a light on top which you can put on. There we are, like a little pilot light there, and you can see that, like a pygmy bulb in there. Obviously that's so you can see your work when it's sitting the other side of the sewing machine. It normally sits on the opposite side to where the drive into the main flywheel would be. So let's just see whether it works or not. Let's have a go. Here we go, first test. Let's see, as I increase my foot pressure, it will increase the amount of voltage. There we are, full revs. There we go. That's much better than it was when I first plugged it in, and obviously all that grease has worked in well there, and the cleaning of it. So there we go, that's the Sew-Tric limited London sewing machine motor, made in England, and 50 watts AC or DC. And thanks for watching.